Welcome to the Smart Woodshop. So I took a quick break to make a tool today that's going to assist me in assembling the Paulk Total Station Ultralight and any of my benches. So I went online. I was going to make just a wood clamping square, and this is just a piece of wood that's cut perfectly square with some cutouts on it, so that when I'm putting together a box like this, a drawer, anything, that I've got some clamping surfaces and I've got a perfect square to pull everything in tight to, so then when I drill my holes and put my screws in, I won't have to kind of struggle and hold it. I'll be gluing it first and then drilling the pilot holes and putting the screws in. And so if I can hold this thing together while I do it, it'll just make the job a little bit easier and maybe a little bit more accurate. So what I did was just make up, I got this design, not my design, there's tons of them online. I found this one on Pinterest and I like the looks of it. It's got two clamping surfaces that are flat and, you know, in both directions. And then it's got the hole back in the corner, and I can put two clamps into that as well. So I can do a lot of clamping. It looks like two would be enough. I added the third just to kind of pull it in the corner as far as the clamps go. And then I really probably only need two of these to do my assembly, but I thought, you know, I'm going to be set up, and you never know in the future where I may need more. So I decided, since I made the template, and then I just took that, like I do so often, I just take my router with an upcut spiral bit, which, by the way, that one has got a lot of lineal footage cut on it. It's about time I get that bit sharpened and grab a new one out. But they cut real smooth, but I can tell I'm really pushing it this time. So basically I just used that template, screwed one onto I pre-cut out the blanks so they were pretty close to the size I needed, and then I was able to just finish it up with the template. And as you can see, it's a pretty simple affair. It's just a piece of plywood. I use 18 millimeter. I had some of that Moreland from building the Smart Woodshop, a couple of scraps, and I just used that. And so all I need to do is just put it right into the corner, clamp it, and obviously the first clamp I may have to adjust a little bit because I really want to get it nice and tight in that corner, get it, you know, good and square. And you can use any kind of clamp. I happen to use these Festool screw clamps or the quick clamps because that's what I have. And there, with that, I can then put that corner together, and might even just use one of these, not a top and a bottom, just one, just to square it up and do the other one by. I'll see. You know, that's when those practice things, I'm all about efficiency. So as I develop my methodology or my workflow, I'll figure out how to use those. But I think they'll come in real handy. I will put the link to this. Again, this is not my design. I just grabbed it right offline. I will put a link to this in the description of the video down below if you want to build yourself some of these. Pretty straightforward. They don't cost you anything but a little time and a little scrap. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. If you want to drop in some more, then be sure to subscribe. Ring the bell so that you will know when I put up a new video. Also share this channel with others and help me grow my subscriber base. If you want a set of workbench plans or a set of Smart Woodshop plans, you can click on the link right here in the video or in the description of the video down below. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.